I hate chrome. Chrome everywhere. Chrome everywhere. Well, anyways, so like every irresponsible teenager, when they get a little bit of money, they buy themselves a shitbox BMW. This is my E92 328i 2008. Right now, got the window trim off right now, trying to get it chrome. Really not that bad of a car. Minor dents that I gotta get in now. But yeah. So as you can see, I have DIY spray blacked these with something just random I could find just for now. Some gloss protective enamel. If it doesn't work out in the end or doesn't last, I'm just gonna rewrap them with vinyl anyway, so I don't really care how the finish comes out. But so far, I mean, from a distance, they look pretty good. I really hope this didn't dry into the paint. No, okay, we're good. Yeah, I mean, for a little bit of my time, I mean, it's not that bad. Still gotta do the other side. But, I mean, it's way better than this faded ass chrome here. And then, once I get that done, be able to change out these grills. I got some black ones coming in. Same style with the single fin, which I love. And then, wheel bearing, so I can finally drive this thing again. I'm so excited. So since I already went ahead and painted these, they're practically dry now. I'm about to go start installing them on the car. So overall, the free 99 paint job to do the chrome. I mean, there's still this bit here that I didn't do, but that's whatever. You can't really see that. This, it's like, looks good from about like here. Is that like 5 feet maybe? I don't know, you get right up on it, you can see the little imperfections. The driver's side rear, I'm gonna have to either take it off and respray or do something, because I missed almost all of this inner, but shitbox, I don't really care. The main goal is that from like 10 feet away, it's black, and that's really all I care about. Now, next step is the grills. I don't know if you can hear that, but that would be the reason why I haven't been driving this car for a few days. It's definitely the front left wheel bearing, but getting that checked out right now, taking it to the shop, and yeah, hopefully when I come back it should be fixed. So unfortunately, as you can kind of hear as I'm driving back, wheel bearing noise is still there. One got replaced, so now I gotta go back in 10 days and get the other one replaced. So, as you can probably see, it's a little later. Actually, it's quite a lot later. Noise is still there. It's actually why I've been putting off posting this video, because I've been so bummed out about it. Don't know what it is. The guy at the shop said it could be tires. I got both the front wheel bearings replaced, so I'm not quite sure either. I'm thinking it's the diff. I really want to do a fluid change on it, but haven't gotten around to it yet. Let me roll up the windows so you guys can hear me a little bit better, and you'll be able to hear that noise a bit better too. Yeah, no. Just on my way to work right now filming this. Figured I should probably post this, as this video has been going on for quite a while. Yeah. Alrighty guys, on my way home from work now. Not quite sure how I want to end this video off. Better go to the grocery store, get a few items. I don't know, we'll see what the night happens. See what the night brings, I should say. On my way back home now. Stopped at the spot I was gonna try and flick up at. A lot of people there. Wasn't really fucking with the vision, so decided not. So I think I'm just gonna call the video here. If you guys like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. Really do appreciate it. I'll try and not take forever on the next post. I can't promise that though. But yeah, if you guys like what you see, I do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys.